Recent reports indicate that the Realme GT7 will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, a chipset expected to deliver significant performance improvements over its predecessors. This cutting-edge SoC is likely to offer enhanced processing power, energy efficiency, and improved AI capabilities, making the Realme GT7 a competitive player in the premium smartphone market. According to information from ShiftDelete.net, the Realme GT7 is anticipated to feature a massive 7,000 mAh battery, which will be coupled with 100W fast charging support. This combination will ensure that the device can quickly recharge, keeping users connected and productive throughout the day. The GT7 will also come equipped with a stunning 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display, offering a sharp 1.5K resolution, delivering vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and an ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for multimedia consumption and gaming. In terms of photography, the Realme GT7 is expected to sport a triple rear camera setup that will push the boundaries of mobile photography. The 50MP primary sensor will deliver crisp, high-resolution images with excellent detail, while the 8MP ultra-wide lens will provide a wider perspective for landscape and group shots. Additionally, the 50MP telephoto lens will allow for impressive zoom capabilities, bringing distant subjects into focus with remarkable clarity. For selfie enthusiasts, the device will include a high-quality front-facing camera to capture stunning self-portraits. The Realme GT7 will likely offer generous RAM configurations, including options for 12GB or 16GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsiveness, even when running demanding applications or multiple processes simultaneously. In terms of storage, users can expect ample space with 256GB or 512GB of internal storage, allowing them to store their favorite apps, media, and files without worrying about running out of space. With this powerful hardware, cutting-edge camera system, and large battery, the Realme GT7 is shaping up to be a formidable flagship device that will appeal to tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike.